Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Into Intuitions. Today's meditation is about breaking habits. We spoke a little bit about this on Friday. We did one meditation. I found it so powerful. I said, I think I want to do this for a few days, and I do. At the end of the last meditation, I asked that our conscious, subconscious, and superconscious minds continue to work on the issue. And from a spiritual psychological standpoint, you are when you're talking to your subconscious and your superconscious, you are speaking to the divine and to the other side that is connected to you. I'm taking a few moments to explain this because it was an amazing, powerful weekend for me. I had insights and things come up that just blew me away. Will it make a difference with my bad habit? It didn't quite yet, but I see all this junk getting cleared up that I know it will. So I'm excited to say we're doing this at least 2 more days. And at the end of each meditation, we are going to ask it again to continue to work. All right, as always, our meditations begin with 2 prayers of protection, the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We go into a guided meditation. We sit silently for a little while. The silence is broken by the chimes so as not to jolt you out of meditation. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. We're going to start with exhaling as far as you can, taking in a deep breath as big as you can. And then as you let it out slowly, close your eyes and invite yourself to relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Bring your attention to your body and just start scanning from your head down to your toes, looking for any tightness, anything that is at dis-ease, not comfortable. And just bring your attention to those spots and invite your body to relax. Bringing your attention and actually having the intention of the body relaxing, it will. Just scan all the way down. Now let's bring our attention back into our bodies and notice the beautiful beam of light that runs from the top of our head right at our feet. That beam of light, notice its size. To some of us, it'll be small where we can put one hand around it. Others will need 2 hands. Some of us will need our arms. It all depends on how much you allow the beauty of God, the divine, the pure light to come through. It all depends how much you are blocking it as to how big or small it is. There's no right or wrong. It's just what is. Put your arms around that light. Step into it and feel it going through your consciousness. And sit with this perfect peace as we take this journey so you know you're safe. While in this light, move to the will center, which is in your throat. It is in your throat where we speak from that determines our will. Will we follow God's will, or will we take a side road for a little while? Notice attached to your will, attached to this center, are different cords and ropes, even chains. These are our habits that are blocking some of this beautiful light from coming through, because it is our will to have that habit. Follow one of them down. Follow the chain or the rope, link by link or yard by yard, till you find the anchor. See it as a big ship's anchor, or is it a small ship's anchor? Is it light, or is it so heavy you can't imagine it ever being moved without a crane? Now embrace the anchor. Wrap yourself around the anchor, or if it's small enough, hold the anchor. And thank it for being there, because it was formed by you and at a time that you needed it. It's just you forgot to remove it when you no longer needed it. So you want to thank it and let it know you really no longer need it. And you are releasing it back to the divine energy, to God, to be recycled and used differently. Let us sit in silence as we relay this message to our anchor, to our habit. From this beautiful light within you, notice some mighty angels coming out, standing next to you. They reach down with you and lift up this anchor, and it starts to dissolve into the light. The change is melting into this beautiful light. The rope just dissolving. The anchor starting to just disappear in these tiny spots of beautiful twinkling light. Holding the angel's hands, you step back into the light. Raise your arms in your mind and be grateful and thankful for this release. And ask for strength to not follow the habitual automatic way and reinsert that anchor, but to have the strength to move forward without it. In your mind, actually feel the speed that you are now moving, because your ship is no longer anchored. As we bring our attention fully into the present, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me today. Please check out intuition.com. We have a simple offer there to help you understand some of the different intuitive gifts. Just sign up for our newsletter and learn a little bit more. We are always sending out at least once a week, well, no more than once a week, a little something helping you to tap into your intuition with more grace and ease, and most importantly, safely. Hope to see you tomorrow morning and on Wednesday night with Chris and our Atlantic City show. Still a few tickets left. Please jump on board and grab them while you can. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.